Hello and a warm welcome to Ericsson in Hall 2. Here we have built up a whole city district just to showcase the experiences for consumers and enterprises. My name is Cecilia Atterwall and I'm heading up marketing. And it's also my pleasure to be responsible for cloud software and services marketing and comms. And to that end, now we're going to dive right into what we have to show when it comes to network autonomy. And inside, I'm going to meet Per, who can tell us all about it. So please come on and join me. Hey Per, Good to see you. So,
good to see you, Cecilia.
Let's talk level up network autonomy.
Absolutely. Let's do. So network autonomy, most people associate it with efficiency only. Autonomous networks equal operational efficiency. Here we want to show what it is all about, but also connected to being enabling new type of business. So possibilities to work with differentiated connectivity at scale, having more autonomy in the network.
And when we talk about this, we'd like to start from the business intent, right? Tell me more about that.
Yes, so here we talk about it from the business, like you said, all the way to through the service layer to the resource layers with the different network domains and using intents in all of these different layers.
So knowing what service you want to enable and make the network act autonomously to make it happen. And to explain this, you have a city model.
Exactly, because there is a geographical aspect to it. You can have different types of intents depending on what it is you want to do in the city. And here we're working around a stadium with a concert that is planned. And in that concert, there will be users, mobile broadband users, smart glasses users, there will be point of sales terminals, and since it is a concert that will be broadcasted live, there will be a live video streaming service available too.
All right.
So how do you prioritize?
And all these need different types of capabilities from the network itself.
Exactly. And that is possible to manage using intent and AI to support it, to make everything connected as it should be when it should be that.
Wonderful. So let's look what's behind the scenes here. What about the operations to make it happen?
Yes. So this type of automation journey that is behind the leveling up the network autonomy, we have done with our managed services operations. So on behalf of our customers, we run their operations and we have increased the level of autonomy within that operation. So in average, within our managed services, we are on what we talk about as a level, between level 3 and level 4.
Which means highly autonomous or?
Level 4 is very high autonomy and it is then connected to different processes. And we are shown the world first validated level 4 autonomous network processes for 3 customers. And this is also behind this demo that we're talking about here, showing how that is being done and how we can help others to achieve the same.
Okay, let's move into the different layers of the network, Per.
So in the
core network.
Yes, in the core, when we talk about the focus for our autonomy achievements or ambitions here, then we're talking here about capacity. So making sure that the capacity is optimized to deliver the service that the core is responsible to deliver with the right level of energy consumption. So we balance the energy consumption with the capacity that is needed to deliver the service. And also thinking about upgrading your network, for example, from network or non-standalone network to a 5G standalone network, we show how to use AI to do the capacity planning and make it much smarter, much smoother compared to trying to do it manually or with different type of, non-AI tools.
Sounds like AI could really be a good help there to do that kind of work.
Absolutely.
Thank you. So let's move on. And what would a capable network be if you wouldn't be able to sell, deliver, and get paid for the services that you'd put together, right, Pat?
Nothing, I would say. So here we take that angle of the autonomous networks. So we show that You can interact with an AI assistant to get the business intent expressed in a way that the networks understand and put it into delivery and assure that it is being delivered as it should. And then, of course, making the possible to get paid for it with if it's an invoice or if it's online prepaid charging or whatever. So this is where the focus is here, to making this as smooth and correct as possible.
Wonderful. Sell, deliver, get paid. No nonsense.
Exactly.
Now, as we move to the next level, we talk about automation and R apps, right?
The way to really accelerate the network autonomy is to work with SMO and the R apps that is associated to that, to make the RAN domain much more intelligent, much more autonomous.
So now we are on SMO, with service management and orchestration. Okay,
exactly.
Got it.
And here we have more than 80, close to 90 members in the world's largest ecosystem around R apps. And we have close to 90 R apps in the portfolio now, both from us, Ericsson, and with the ecosystem members. So this is truly the largest ecosystem. And just recently, or just now, Nokia is also becoming a member of it, showing that this is a truly cross-industry collaboration to make this happen for the customers.
Thank you, Per. And what about our own R apps?
Yes. So we have a portfolio of our own R apps, of course, and they are making use of AI to make the autonomy or the management, the operations, much more efficient. And one example is that with a tier one in the States, we have shown that it's possible to cut the operational costs with 75% using this technology for cell shaping. And all of these R apps, they work together to make the full life cycle management of different operational aspects within optimization and with healing and with planning work as they should. And with as high level of autonomy as possible.
So a lot of accuracy and time saved and money saved. We very recently had a launch, Per, on the agentic R app as a service.
And the point with that is that this technology that we already have available as on-prem type of R apps, if you want to go a little bit faster, explore it, we have in a portfolio and offering it as a service. So together with AWS, we use their, let's say, public cloud and agentic AI type of capabilities to provide the possibility for our customers to buy the R apps from their marketplace. And hence they don't need to install it on their own environment.
Great. Thank you so much, Per. It was wonderful to get this quick tour. And now, as you're tuned in with us here, if you're in Barcelona, please do come and see us. We're in Hall 2. And if not, stay tuned online and on social, and we'll be happy to bring all of what we have to offer out to you also online.